Just coming to you quickly to talk about a quick hairstyle that I love doing. You guys know that I love my quick hairstyles. Life is too busy with 2 kids and a family. Life is busy. So I love quick hairstyles. I want to talk to you about a quick hairstyle or quick ponytail piece that I have. And I've had this now for over 10 months. Over 10 months actually, so 11 12 months, so up to a year I've had this ponytail, and it's so good and it's holding up, and that's why I want to share it with you guys, because I love sharing good hair with you guys. So this is the Organic Pony Pro. This is the Shake and Go Organic Pony Pro. I have her in the natural Yaki 24 color 2. She is so gorgeous. As I said, you know, I have the one I've been rocking for a year now, and this is a second pack. I love it so much that I bought a second pack, okay? But I don't need that right now because this still holds up. This is amazing. So this is how it comes, okay? So you've got your ponytail, 24 inches, and you've got a comb right there. And then of course you have, which I think is pretty genius, you then have the wrap around for your ponytail that you wrap your hair, well, you wrap the ponytail hair around to hide any sort of gaps between your hair and the ponytail. So that's what you've got here. And as I said, I've been rocking this hair for almost a year now, and there is no kinks. It's just the best quality synthetic hair I have ever come across. I wish they had weaves like this, that, you know, I can just take and make a piece, make a wig out of. But this is a ponytail. We're here to talk about a ponytail. I'm gonna try it on and show you guys what it looks like. I've got my hair in a high bun right now, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like in a high bun, and I'll show you what it looks like in a low bun, so stay tuned. All right, so comb into my ponytail. Now, if you see, I am holding, I'm trying to feel my way through the wraparound ponytail so I can separate it. Okay, so I think I got it. So there's my ponytail wraparound. So now I can see how much I can wrap still. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in a low ponytail, which is absolutely the best that I love rocking on a sunny day, or sometimes you just want to switch up your look. So this is a high ponytail. So let me show you what a low ponytail would look like. Okay, stay tuned. Guys, when I tell you this hair is so soft, it is no joke. Quick and easy go kind of hairstyle. You can just throw one in a high ponytail or in a lower ponytail like I have on right now. I love the lower ponytail because I think it looks so supernatural. And I just love it. I think it suits my face a lot better than the high one. So again, this is the Organic Shake and Go Organic Pony Pro Easy Wraparound Ponytail, and I have her in a natural Yaki, and this is a color 2, 24 inches. The hair quality is amazing. Absolutely love this. It was super cheap. It was, I think, $13.99 or $11.99. Again, easy to just do. A few bobby pins to just secure what you've done, and it's just a nice wraparound. Sorry, I can't see, but I'm trying to show you guys what I did. Okay, so I hope that was really helpful, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Catch you later.